Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Facile De-Stress Serum. This product retails for $38. Really excited for this serum because it seems to be a really calming product from Facile. I've seen their ingredients and I'm really impressed by it so far. I'm really excited for a de-stress serum because it has very gentle ingredients that are supposed to soothe redness, which is something I've been struggling with, especially with the weather changes. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize great ingredients like vitamin C and ceramides, but they are loaded down in this product with amazing ingredients like cholesterol. It looks to be an amazing formula. You can check out the full ingredients in the description. Also left a link to their website where you can learn more about this product. Big things we're going to be looking for include what results do I notice? Is it more of an instant benefit, or is it something that gets better the longer that I use it? What's the texture of this product, and how does it wear over time? As for everything else, we continue to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. From someone who has been dealing with a lot of redness and stressed out skin, and also someone who's a big fan of the texture of these serums that Facile has been putting out, I am really excited for this product. Vitamin C, ashwagandha, niacinamide. This has cholesterol, amazing soothing, skin barrier supporting, and strengthening ingredients. I haven't even felt this product yet, but it has a similar moisturizing texture as their brightening serum, a little bit more watery. Oh my gosh, these serums have such a moisturizing finish to them. I just can't describe it in any other way. It feels super calming. I'm hoping it will be skin barrier restoring as well. Trying to moisturize my skin as much as possible. It's becoming a little bit more cold out when I'm trying this. My skin has just been going through it with all of the weather changes. I'm gonna take about 3 pumps of this out. I would definitely recommend going in with your toner steps first. I feel like this is definitely going to be a serum that is more towards your moisturizer end. Obviously go in with the lighter weight serums first and then end with the heavier ones. This definitely is a little bit heavier of a barrier serum, but it's nothing too crazy. It definitely isn't like suffocating or feel heavy, and it doesn't give too dewy of a finish. Just kind of a nice radiant hydrated look. Super soothing instantly though. Like my drier areas have been so bad. My nose has been so bad from the actives I've been using. Get really dry around outer perimeter of my face, my nose, and I've been getting a little bit more dry around all of my face. That's just what happens when the weather gets colder. So really hoping this will be a calming, a soothing, and a nourishing product. It's a little bit more expensive, but the complex in here seems really promising, so I'm hopeful for it. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This was a really great nourishing barrier serum. I feel like had some more standout ingredients in it for redness, for soothing. Looking at the gentle vitamin C derivative in this, ashwagandha, amazing ingredients that I haven't seen in a lot of other formulas, and that's what I feel like makes it stand out from some others on the market. The texture was also beautiful. It was extremely moisturizing, not too suffocating for the skin, but I definitely feel like it could be a little bit intense for more oily skin. More intended, in my opinion, for combination to dry skin, which is where I lie right now, and that's why this is perfect for my skin at the moment. Been loving it with all of the weather changes, and I feel like it is a great redness soothing serum as well. I do know of some alternatives, not necessarily with these ingredients and with this texture. Purito's Mighty Bamboo Unscented Serum could be a more budget-friendly alternative if you are looking for that. Kind of has the same de-stress aspect to it that I feel like could be a size-by-size comparison, just utilizing different ingredients and technology in it. I do feel like I would invest in this serum as someone who struggles with redness, as someone who struggles with acne. I feel like it was helping to take a lot of the redness out of my acne and also calming the skin while also supporting the skin barrier. Another alternative that is a lotion moisturizer style product I feel like I don't talk about enough is Stradia's Lipid Gold. That that is another skin barrier supporting complex serum that is a little bit more budget friendly than this and has a richer moisturizer texture. I still need to finish this product and fully evaluate whether I will reinvest in it or not, because it is really good, has a unique complex to it, and it worked well for my skin. I said at the moment I would reinvest in it. I still need to finish it and see how it compares and sizes up to, say, the Stratia, to the Purito. I know they have different textures, but if they're doing similar things to the skin, the $38 price point may not be as worth it. I do know right now, as I have it and as I'm going to continue using it, it will remain consistent in my skincare routine because I do love the complex in here and what I have seen with my skin. I would recommend looking over the ingredients of the Purito, looking over the ingredients of the Stratia, maybe trying those first if you don't have the means or the budget to invest in this product, because those could be comparisons to this style of product. If you look at the technology in this, if you're looking for a new barrier strengthening or soothing serum, then I would recommend going for this because it is a good option. They utilize a great calming technology in here and amazing skin barrier supporting properties. It is pretty expensive for the price point. From what I've noticed with Facile's approach, they seem to be taking more simple yet effective approaches to skincare, and I love their brightening serum. This is the second one I'm trying. So far, I'm really impressed with both, and I feel like they are wonderful options. And I would recommend it. However, I would recommend just at least looking over the Purito and the Stratia as more budget-friendly alternatives. I feel like Stratia is going to be the closest resemblance to this serum if you are looking for that. But if you have the means, I do feel like this complex has potential to become one of my favorite barrier serums because of the great results and great things I have seen with this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.